the old chapel during the highway works was to be relocated. PWD and the church authorities then, the chapel authorities had a discussion and त्याप्रमाणे त्यांनी सगळे हे शिफ्ट केले. The promise by the chief minister was that we will give them a other location. So त्या लोकेशनाक आमी we ensured that we come across, take our people जे आमचे भाविक असता and the community at large and take input from them and go ahead. So after the location was finalized, along with the National Highway authorities, we spoke to the Chief Minister and ensured that along with the Panchayat, we are able to give what the community needs. आणि ताज्या खातीर हायवेचे हे घेवन लायन मार्क करून तांकां सुवात मार्क करून तांकां जाय तशें तांणी डिसायड करचें आर्किटेक्चर आनी तांणी बांदचें म्हणून हें तांकां आमी वॉट एवर सपोर्ट दे निडेड वी सेड वी वील एक्सटेंड प्लीज डू इट द वे यू ऑल वॉन्ट टू डू इट. तांचो बाब सिडनी फेर्नांडीस वॉज बीन माय क्लासमेट. I think has been instrumental as an architect from day one. Bob Bingal has been there in terms of building. Connie, Bakije Sagre has been, I think, continuously moving around.
A 400-year-old chapel, which due to the circumstances of the bridge, which had to be demolished. But with the great help of our dynamic minister, Mr. Rohan County, we could get this place, and through him, it is through the PWD and whatever sources he could manage, we could get a portion of the money to rebuild it. And today we are really happy that we could accomplish it and have back again a beautiful chapel. And yes, of course, thanks to all the Porvarkars too who were so supportive. Otherwise, it's really a difficult thing. Thank you.
So before this, before the bridge work started, there was a chapel.
Yeah.
So how old was that chapel?
It was 400 years plus.
Okay, you all kept this thing.
It was. See, he has always been there for us.
Okay.
Small and good, whatever it is, he's always been there for us. So we didn't have that negative approach that there wouldn't be any help from him to us. So we had that positive approach that we would get help from him, and that is how some of the residents collected and went to him. It was not very fussy also, it was done immediately.
So now from today onwards, this chapel has started. So how is your feeling?
It's a great happiness to have our chapel back again.
Okay, yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.